my name's Paul. I'm the plumbing lecturer here at East Coast College. I've been with the college now for 2 years. So here at the college we offer a full-time level 2 and level 3 qualification. Under those qualifications you will cover everything from health and safety through to common plumbing processes, which is your fabrication of pipework. We deal with hot water systems, cold water systems, central heating systems, your sanitary and above ground drainage systems, along with electrical principles and how to communicate within the construction industry. In terms of progressions within plumbing and the heating industry, I started out 15 years old. I went out to building sites to start my career. I then joined the military. I travelled the world as a plumber. I then left the military in 2012. I then started teaching in prisons. I then set up my own business, and then I ended up at the college. Plumbing offers you a wide range of tasks. It doesn't just stop with fitting bathrooms. You can go out and be boiler engineers, you can do gas, you can do solid fuels. The renewable sector within our industry is now a massive progression. So to wrap things up, ladies and gents, I can't wait to have you coming on our course as of September. It's a great environment, we've got so much to teach you. We really look forward to seeing you in the new year.